Hi, this is Janet. I just want to show you quickly how you can check your video and audio settings in Koala Go. So when I want to open a Koala Go meeting, I have it on my bookmarks bar. I would open a meeting. And this is just the activity that happened to be on when I closed it last time, and I can't really check until I invite a student. So I'm going ahead and opening a meeting, and then once I'm in the meeting, before I would invite a student, I would click on this settings icon. Alright, so my camera's working, I can already see that, and I have the right one selected, but if it wasn't working, I might have to check that. And because I'm using a headset, I can see my headset microphone is working. So I should be getting sound. But if I wasn't, or if my student couldn't hear me, I would open this up and make sure that I had the correct setting and I wasn't trying to use the computer sound or something else had been selected. It usually automatically selects the right thing, but on occasion it may not, so that's when you would want to do that. Another reason why you might not have sound sometimes is if your computer itself is muted. So if you go down to your sound button and make sure that your sound is not all the way off, then you should be good in terms of your own sound. Now, your student also needs to check these settings. So when your student signs on, so I have a place where my students can click to join a meeting. Okay, now I'm entering as a student here. I can see my video works. I have the correct camera selected, and again, I have the correct microphone and speaker selected. So I know that I would be ready for the meeting. The only other thing again to check would be my computer audio to make sure it's not muted. So hopefully this gives you a good idea of how you can check those basic settings before you get started on your teaching so that it goes as smoothly as possible.